Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a Recipe Tuesday. Okay, yes, it's a Recipe Wednesday. Basically, I've let you guys know in the past that if I don't post on Tuesdays, that means a video will come on Wednesday, and here I am telling the truth. So, hey guys, welcome. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It is free. I love having new subscribers, so help me make my dream come true. Sorry guys, I'm getting caught up. So I whipped up a vegan naan bread and a lentil curry, an original recipe. So make sure that you, yes, watch this video and tell me what you think at the end. Let's go. Alright guys, so let's just start this recipe. So first up, you want to start by adding 3 cups of flour to a bowl and then 1 tablespoon of salt. I use pink salt as per usual. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of instant yeast. And then combine your ingredients all together, like so. Then you want to add 1 1/8 of a cup of warm water to the bowl as well, and then 1 tablespoon of agave. If you don't have agave, use maple syrup. Then stir everything together like so. And then it should look like a ball like this, I guess. And then you're gonna knead it all together. So knead the dough properly. I kneaded it like about 15 to 20 times, and I add flour if I needed it. Okay, and then you're gonna oil your bowl. I oiled it with butter, and I oiled my dough with butter. And then I placed a cloth on the bowl for about 30 minutes for it to rise like so. And when it was done rising, I sliced it in 8 pieces like so. It should be 8 pieces because yeah, it's supposed to look exactly like this. If it doesn't look like this, then you're doing it all wrong, son, and I can't help you really. Yeah, so yeah. And then one dough at a time, just place some flour on it, sprinkle some of it on each side, and then you're gonna proceed onto rolling the dough until it's nice and flat. Once you know your dough is coated with flour properly. Alright, and if you need more flour, just add it on top because it does get sticky. So then I moved my naan mixture to a skillet. Okay, I have a double-sided skillet, but if you have a regular skillet on a stove top, just use that. And I use butter to, you know, get it cooking. And it should be ready in like 5 to 10 minutes on each side. Alright, so let's proceed to the next recipe. So you're going to start by adding 1/4 of a cup of oil of your choice in a pan, and then add your onions, sorry guys, and then add your tablespoons of curry, so 2 tablespoons of curry and 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Really important, the key to this relationship, wow, to this recipe. Okay girl, what's going on? You think about relationships and stuff. So yeah, just add your scallions and everything, and make sure you stir everything together and combine everything together. It's really important for your turmeric and your curry to be well cooked before anything happens. So then add 4 to 5 diced potatoes, okay, and then stir that together until it's nicely coated, and then add your chopped carrots to the pan as well, and then diced tomatoes. That was 1 diced tomato. Okay, and then I don't like tomatoes, so I made sure that they were like well smashed before, you know, proceeding onto the recipe. Alright, so I was just, you know, stirring around and make sure that my tomatoes were well cooked. Alright, you could add more tomatoes if you like tomatoes, but it's all up to you really. Okay, then I add 1 handful of spinach. Okay, like so, and I kept on stirring as per usual. There's a lot of stirring. I like stirring, I guess. Then I add 1 full can of coconut cream, and oh my god, just bless the recipe. You guys have to do that. And then stir again, okay? And if you feel like you didn't add enough coconut cream for it to fill the top, then you're gonna add some water as well, and your thyme branches as well. I added like 5 and 1 tablespoon of salt, and then I kept on stirring as per usual. I'm always stirring. And then when it comes to a boil, seal it with a lid and let that cook for like 10 minutes. And then you could go on to adding your seasonings again. So 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. I also added all-purpose seasoning and other seasonings, but like this will be fine. Then I added my cups of lentils, which I already had in the fridge. That's why I didn't let it cook in the mixture, but you could also let it cook in the mixture as well from the get-go. But just do it like me for this process, and it should look like this. It was so bomb, guys. I love this recipe. And then I combined it with the naan bread, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this recipe, and if you do try it out, please don't forget to tag me in your pictures, okay, and follow me on my social medias. And I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much again for watching this video. I got other videos up on my channel, so make sure you go and click on my other video after watching this video, because I have so many other interesting recipes or story times or vlogs to, you know, share with you guys. And make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. Like I said in the beginning, give my video a thumbs up because I love your thumbs, and I'll see you on Sunday for a special video. Who knows what it's gonna be. Alright, so bye guys.